Kambuni ya uthondeki wa maguta ya BIDCO nicakaite gucoka thi kwa biacara undu uria urehetwo ni kwambatira gwa thogora wa muturire o hamwe na unyihu wa dola guku bururi-ini. Munene wa kambuni ino Chris Dyers atariirie ati mwaka umwe muthiru uthondeki wa indo ni ugwite na gicunji kia 50% undu uria umanite na kuongerereka kwa indo iria mahuthagira. Niaugite ati kuona bururi wa Kenya nduri wahota gwithondekera maguta makoretwo makigura maguta kuma mabũrũri ma nanja undu uria ukoretwo uri muhinga munene na niathiite na mbere na kuongerera ati kuongerereka kwa marihi ma thitima gukoretwo kuri igutha inene kuri kambuni ino.
Manufacturers mingi sisi tunapata shida kwa sababu ya cost ya power. Kitu ya pili tumeomba pia kuna shortage ya dollars kununua raw material, na hiyo ni pande ya tunafanya uhusiano na serikali tusaidie uchumi pia endelee juu, na BIDCO pia inataka kuexpand na kuendelea kuchukua watu wengi.
Niathiite na mbere na kuria arimi aria marimaga indo cia guthondeka maguta metikire kwenderia kambuni ino indo ciao niguo kunyihia thogora wa uthondeki.
We have 30 to 40,000 farmers supplying us with raw materials, and we are requesting and kindly requesting for more farmers to supply us with soya, sunflower and other products that we can give back to agribusiness. We have been doing this for many years.
Leonard Mambo, murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa wonjoria guku bururi-ini, augite ati kambuni ya guthondeka maguta yandikite aruti a wira makiria ma 40,000 na kwoguo thirikari ni kuingirira na njira ya kunyihia magoti maria marihagirwo indo iria citumikaga guthondeka maguta.
I mean, this industry is employing over 40,000 people and 100,000 households indirectly. So we are going to put all the effort to harmonize our regulations. We are going to de-risk the process. We are going to partner with them into making sure that this sector does not die.
Girifotera Jita TV, kuma Thika, Jitagwo Kid, Muyuro.